boy.
Oh. Jake's got it. Want me to pick it up? Oh, you got it. Walk through your book. Bro, come on now. That was like the easiest shot for you too. Come on.
Oh boy.
Oh, you got it. Walk through their box.
Get your gun up, Paul.
There it is.
Get up there. Get up there and get him.
Yeah, make it school, dude.
Oh boy, Duger. Oh boy.
Told your mom his name there.
Oh boy.
Told your mom his name there.
Oh boy. All right. Hey. Fetch him up. No, get it.
Dude.
No, get him.
Oh boy, Dugers. Oh, sorry.
Is that?
I got him. Oh, sorry. I wasn't supposed to shoot. Oh, I didn't want it to get away. My bad. Sorry, boy.
That's it.
Yeah, it is.
Come on, over here. Head. Boy. Gun up. More.
Oh, there it is, right there.
No.
Oh, don't shoot.
I know.
Shoot it.
What's that?
Walk right towards Duke.
I don't see anything. Oh, there it is, right there. No, don't shoot, don't shoot. Shoot it. God damn. Yeah, it's right there too.
Oh, I saw where it landed.
We going for it? It went that way. I thought you were gonna push it up.
I saw where it landed.
All right, mark it. Come on. Duke's going the wrong way. Good. We don't want him to get back right on it. Where at, Paul?
I didn't see that at all.
I think it's somewhere right in here.
It flew. He glided through here. Going this way.
I saw it running towards you, and I thought you were gonna like try to step on it to get it back that way.
I was trying to let Paul get shot.
Started running, and Duke like
Something in that area.
Superman'd on it. Yeah, it's probably that bird.
Superman on it.
He did. I'm gonna walk through it this way. Come on, Duke. There it is. Yeah. Dude, that thing didn't get 3 feet in the air. Oh, it might go back up. Heads up. It's in there. Fetch him up, Duke. Yeah. Duke, in here. Come on. Get it, Duke. Find that birdie. Duke.
You're a good boy. You're doing good.
It's like, let's go.
What?
It's birdie, dude. Huh? It's birdie. Catch him up.
Could have ran out.
Where'd Duke go?
Duke! Duke! You see him?
Chasing stuff. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, you gotta be. Where did it
It went.
Dude, come!
You gotta be kidding me. Where'd it go?
It went over there.
Where?
Which way? What was that?
There, over by those green trees.
Duke, come!
He's running. That's why.
You following it?
Good boy, come here, puppy! Oh, you earned that one.
Right there.
You earned that one. Come
It
here.
flew out.
Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up.
I was so confused.
Fetch it up.
I didn't even think they were
Duke,
on it.
fetch it up.
And
Boy, Duke.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Fetch it up. Duke.
I
Drop.
was sitting at the top of the hill, make sure the
Drop.
thing didn't run out.
Good boy.
I'm just chilling there and hear a shot, and I hear Paul say, "Got him!"
Is this like yes? What was,
Here, hold this.
what was that? I don't know if I'm a deadhead.
There we
I
go.
think I found one.
I think this is one.
Well, let him hold it up for a photo. His first one.
We can get it when we get back.